You meet someone and they ask you many questions in English.
Sometimes it is hard to answer quickly. Today, we will practice many common English questions.
These questions are used in daily life.
If you learn them, your English conversation will improve. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Happy English.
Hello, friends. Welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today, we will practice many common English questions.
Listen carefully and repeat with us.
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you. What is your name?
My name is Tom.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Why do you like your job?
Because it is interesting.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do in the morning?
I drink coffee and read the news.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink coffee.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9.
Do you work in an office or at home?
I work in an office.
How do you go to work?
I take the subway.
Is your job busy?
Yes, it is busy.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Sometimes I watch TV.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is a mystery novel.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite place to travel?
I like visiting the beach.
Have you traveled to another country?
Yes, I have.
Which country did you visit?
I visited Japan.
Did you enjoy the trip?
Yes, I enjoyed it very much.
Do you like food from other countries?
Yes, I like international food.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook a little.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
Do you drink a lot of water?
Yes, I drink water every day.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
How many cups of coffee do you drink?
I drink 2 cups a day.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have a few hobbies.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading and walking.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I enjoy learning English.
Why are you learning English?
Because it is important for work and travel.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice every day.
How do you practice English?
I listen to podcasts and speak with friends.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch English videos online.
Do you understand native speakers?
Sometimes it is difficult.
Do you want to improve your English?
Yes, I want to improve a lot.
What is the hardest part of English?
Speaking is the hardest for me.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy meeting new people.
Are you a friendly person?
Yes, I think I am friendly.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have several friends.
Do you see your friends often?
Yes, I see them on weekends.
What do you do with your friends?
We talk, eat, and watch movies.
Do you like spending time with family?
Yes, family time is important.
How often do you visit your family?
I visit them once a month.
Do you call your parents often?
Yes, I call them every week.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I like my city.
Is your city big or small?
It is a big city.
Is it expensive to live there?
Yes, it is expensive.
What do you like about your city?
I like the restaurants and parks.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping sometimes.
Do you prefer online shopping?
Yes, online shopping is easy.
Do you like technology?
Yes, technology is very useful.
How often do you use your phone?
I use it many times a day.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media.
What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is YouTube.
Do you watch YouTube every day?
Yes, I watch it often.
Do you like learning from YouTube?
Yes, it is very helpful.
Do you like podcasts?
Yes, podcasts are great for learning.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax and meet friends.
Do you like relaxing at home?
Yes, sometimes I stay home.
Do you like going outside?
Yes, I enjoy going outside.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books and walk in the park.
Do you like nature?
Yes, nature is beautiful.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Do you walk your dog every day?
Yes, I walk him in the morning.
Do you like mornings or evenings?
I like mornings.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am.
Do you like working at night?
No, I prefer daytime.
Do you like planning your future?
Yes, I think about the future.
What are your future plans?
I want to travel more.
Do you want to learn new skills?
Yes, I always want to learn.
Do you like setting goals?
Yes, goals help me improve.
Excellent practice today.
We practiced many common English questions.
These questions will help you in real conversations.
Practice them again and again.
Comment below and answer some of these questions.
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for listening to Happy English.
Please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
And share this podcast with your friends.
Keep learning English every day.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.